Welcome to the Titan Versa L-Series Helium Leak Detector Standard PM Service video. Today we'll be demonstrating how to perform a preventive maintenance service consisting of changing the vacuum pump oil and the fan filters on your Titan Versa L-Series Helium Leak Detector. Preventive maintenance is key to keeping your leak detector performing at a high level. Let's get started. Located in the spares kit provided at the time of your Titan Versa purchase, you'll find the following: an oil refill tube assembly, oil drain tube, a 6mm hex wrench. Additionally, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a container or bucket to catch the used oil, a funnel, and finally you'll need the pre-measured easy grade vacuum pump oil you should have received from LACO with your PM service agreement. Or you can purchase it directly from LACO if you don't have a service agreement in place. Step 1. Warm up the vacuum pump oil. LACO recommends you turn on your Titan Versa and let it run for at least 15 minutes prior to changing the oil. This process will ensure the vacuum oil is warm and will drain quicker and more completely from the pump. After the 15-minute warm-up period, turn off your Titan Versa and disconnect the power supply. To prevent damaging the turbo pump, do not move the leak detector for at least 5 minutes. Step 2. Remove the rear cover. Remove 2 M8 screws using the 6mm hex wrench. There is 1 screw on each side of the cover. After removing the 2 screws, remove the rear cover by lifting it slowly and tilting it back and away from the leak detector. Locate the fan wiring harness and disconnect it from the fan. Set the cover to the side and out of the way. Step 3. Remove the plug located on the top half of the quick fill tube by depressing the retaining clip to release the plug. Or, alternatively, you can remove the oil cap located on the top of the vacuum pump using a flathead screwdriver. Next, on the rear of the leak detector, locate the oil drain port in the lower left-hand corner and position a container below it to collect the used oil. Insert the oil drain tube into the drain port. You'll hear a clicking sound when it is securely attached, and oil will begin to drain into the container. After 2 to 5 minutes, oil should be completely drained from the pump. Depress the metal retaining clip on the drain port and remove oil drain tube. Step 4. Refilling the vacuum pump. If you chose to remove the plug from the quick fill tube in Step 3, attach the oil refill assembly to the pre-measured bottle of easy grade vacuum pump oil, and then connect it to the quick fill tube fitting to refill the pump. Or, if you chose to remove the oil cap in Step 3, simply use a funnel to refill the pump with the pre-measured easy grade vacuum pump oil you received as part of your PM service agreement. Wipe up any excess oil or spills. Visually check the oil level via the viewport located on the end of the vacuum pump. Oil level should be just below the maximum level mark. Next, replace the quick connect fitting or oil cap and securely tighten using the flathead screwdriver. Your oil change is now complete. Let's move on to Step 5 in the fan filter replacement. Fan filters should be checked regularly and replaced every 6 months. There are 2 fan filters, one for the vacuum pump fan and one for the inlet fan. The vacuum pump fan filter is located on the inside of the rear cover on the opposite side of the oil viewport window. Simply pop off the plastic cover to expose the fan filter and then remove the used filter. Next, clean the cover thoroughly to remove all dirt and contaminants. And then insert the new filter, making sure to center it in the cover to ensure proper fit. Reinstall the cover, making sure to snap it securely in place. Next, the inlet fan filter is located on the inside of the main leak detector in the upper right-hand corner if you're viewing it from the back of the leak detector with the cover removed. Simply pop off the plastic cover and remove the used filter. Clean the cover thoroughly and install the new filter, making sure to center it in the cover to ensure proper fit. Reinstall the cover, making sure to snap it securely in place. Step 6. Replace the rear cover. Reattach the fan cable harness to the fan assembly. Then, properly align the cover on the leak detector chassis, making sure it is correctly aligned with the front cover and the M8 screw holes. Reinstall 2 M8 screws, one on each side, using the 6mm hex wrench. Step 7. Resetting the maintenance screen. First, press the menu button in the upper left-hand corner. Next, select the maintenance option on the menu screen, followed by selecting Maintenance Task. On the Maintenance Task screen, locate the Pascal 1015 Change Pump Oil option and press the Reset button to properly reset the maintenance timer and service reminder for the oil change. Select the OK button to confirm. Next, locate the Change Fan Filter option and press the Reset button to properly reset the maintenance timer and service reminder. Select the OK button to confirm. You can press the back button to return to the main menu screen. The maintenance reset process is now complete. Your standard PM service oil and filter change process is now complete.